Hi, this is David McCann for WebTNG. In this video, I'm looking at the Advanced Themer Feature Finder. The Feature Finder is a tool on the Advanced Themer website. It provides documentation and something of an interactive changelog. Let's take a look here at the Advanced Themer website. If we go to Features and Feature Finder, we see that Advanced Themer currently has 184 features. Wow, that's a lot of features. Over here we have a search box. We have some categories, some tags, and some version numbers. The categories are admin settings and extras, AI integration, builder tweaks, colors, CSS variables, strict editor view, and styles and classes. So this gives us an overview of the types of features that Advanced Themer offers. When we look over on the right side at the list of features, each of these items is a card. The way I got my head around Advanced Themer, starting to understand its features, is I came to the feature finder, I clicked on builder tweaks, okay, which brought me down to 71 features. And then if you look at the tags, there's game changer, includes video tutorial, nice to have, safe to disable, and unsafe to disable. I clicked safe to disable because my understanding is that means that if for some reason you need to uninstall Advanced Themer, you don't have to go back and refactor your templates or bricks pages if you're using some feature that's dependent on Advanced Themer. With these two checked, we're down to 66 features. Still quite a few. What is that, like maybe 37% or something? If we look at the long list of features here and we click on one, we go to the documentation for that feature. So this is also a documentation finder. Okay, we have an overview of the feature and it tells when the release date was, when it was last updated, what the tags are, and then if there's an official video showing you how to use this feature, that's listed. If there's a third-party video about that feature, that's listed. Not all of the features have videos. And then if there's any additional documentation, that's included also. Now, another thing you can see here is the version list. Okay, there's the version number, and next to the version number, there is in parentheses a number which corresponds to the number of features in that release. I found this to be useful. For example, if I missed a release, I can come here, I can click on the release in question, like let's say maybe I bought Advanced Themer a month ago and I want to know what the latest release offers. You can filter then the list of features to that release and go and check to see what's new. It's an interactive changelog. I think this is a very creative way to present the documentation for a product and to present part of the changelog. Kudos to Maxime for adding the feature finder to the website. So that's my look at the Advanced Themer Feature Finder. Hope you found the video interesting. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.